Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick review on why this humidifier and most humidifiers that use the cool method, the cool mist method, are probably not worth buying, why I don't like them, and why I think they shouldn't be manufactured at all. So I've been running this thing for about an hour now. This is a bit of a test. I did some testing prior to this, but this is the final test, and I'm going to be returning it, and I'm going to be giving it a 2-star review. And there's one simple reason for this. Here I have an air quality indicator, and you can see it going down already, but this is 2.5 microgram per cubic meter particulate matter, right? So that's 31 microgram per cubic meter. And that's going to be slowly going down because I have the humidifier turned off. So what the problem is the white dust that comes out from the cold mist basically fills the air with particulate matter, and we end up breathing that in. Obviously, I don't want that. You don't want that. Nobody wants that. But unfortunately, people buy these things unknowingly with the particulate matter going into the air and eventually into their lungs. Now, there's really no reason to have this, and I tested the cold air humidifiers, the cold mist humidifiers, and the warm mist humidifiers. Warm mist humidifiers do not raise the air quality index in the house. If I switch this, you can see that the air quality index is 93. Now that's not healthy. You do not want 93 in your house. You want it a lot lower than that. There's no reason for it to be that high in your house. And because of this reason, I'm going to try to spread awareness. I really don't think that these humidifiers should be manufactured anymore. I think they should discontinue production. And that's all I have to say on this. I hope this was informative. And good luck out there. I'm going to be buying a warm mist humidifier.
I get the seal all sealed.
Package like this looks a little suspicious.
Yeah.
That's how it's supposed to come in. No receipts.
guess so.
Only one of them in here? Oh, there's two.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Alexa, turn my humidifier off. Alexa, turn my humidifier on.
Those green pods don't pop, but I know those pump lumps do.
Hey Alexa, turn on the humidifier.
Okay.
That should